Alright guys, today I got, megalodon legacy trucks. I don't have a normal megalodon, I just have a chase in the Swedish fish one. But I don't have a normal one, here it is, legacy trucks, megalodon. There's a back, of course. I'm still hunting Classroom Crusher, Ringling, and the Avenger. I'm still hunting those, and the training truck. Series 44. Pretty nice. Let's get to the unboxing now. Okay, sorry about that. Okay guys, here it is. The paint has like texture on it, which is nice. I like the texture. There's Megalodon, has the Monstrum logo. Baby blue rims and B-locks on the camera look dark, but in real life they're baby blue. Megalodon guys, the teeth in the front. The front of Megalodon. Black roll cage and gray chassis. Rubber fins, of course, and the casted fin. The back fin. And yes, they're releasing this one again next year, which I'm not even gonna get because I already have it. I don't care about the big AT is nice, but I'm not getting it just for that. So that's all I gotta show you guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Jarek has more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoy.